First, ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. Open the Health app, navigate to Browse, then Hearing, and select Hearing Test. Wearing your AirPods Pro 3 is recommended for accuracy. Follow the on-screen prompts, ensuring you're in a quiet room. The test involves listening to tones at different frequencies and volumes. Tap the screen each time you hear a tone. The test takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Upon completion, the app generates a personalized audiogram stored in your health data. Begin by pairing your AirPods Pro 3 with your iPhone via Bluetooth in the Settings app. Next, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Hearing Devices, and select Hearing Aid Compatibility. Choose your AirPods Pro 3 and select Use as Hearing Aid to enable MFI mode. In the Hearing section, enable Live Listen for directional sound amplification, adjust frequency bands to enhance conversation clarity, and set up headphone accommodations for personalized EQ settings. Key features include adaptive active noise cancellation, reducing background noise by up to 90%, and spatial audio, which simulates natural sound directionality. Your AirPods Pro 3 will now function as hearing aids with personalized settings directly from your iPhone.